Amakhosi are believed to be ready to offer Richards Bay a significant transfer fee to able to sign their right back at the start of next season, the Sea Crew understands. As previously reported by Sokala Duma, Amakhosi are interested in KwaZulu-Natal-based defender Lwandile Mabuya, the Sea Crew further elaborated. Now, insiders close to the club have indicated that Amakhosi are set to offer around 10 million to bring in the defender. They have looked at different right backs and it's believed they apparently want to settle for Lwandile Mabuya, and that's why they believe to be preparing a 10 million offer to table to Richards Bay, the source stated. They are valuing the player, so they are preparing a substantial offer which they believe can convince Richards Bay as well. This would be a good offer considering how they bought other players before, the source further elaborated. A second insider disclosed that Chiefs are already planning changes in their right back department to accommodate Mabuya. The club may release existing players while promoting and signing other young talent to reshape the position for the up-and-coming season. For now, they have Dylan Solomons, Reef Frosler, and Zita Macheke, who can also play in that position, and apparently no one is really the first choice, and that's why the club is set to release some of them. The club is looking at promoting under-20 international Sifiso Timba as well as sign former graduate Lungelo Peng from Cape Town Spurs. So they have already looking at how their right back position could look next season, with Mabuya as the first priority, the second insider told Sokala Duma. The 24-year-old Mabuya has been a key player for Richards Bay this season, featuring in most of their league matches played so far. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.